Welcome to AndroIndian. Let's master the project environment. Today we explore the project environment and understand how enterprise environmental factors, or EEFs, influence every software project. Every project operates within a specific environment. This includes internal systems, company culture, and market pressures. Ignoring these influences is one of the most common causes of project failure in the industry. In project management, these environmental influences are called enterprise environmental factors, or EEFs. EEFs are conditions that impact the project but are completely outside the project team's control. EEFs fall into two main categories: internal to the organization and external to it. Let's start with internal factors. Internal EEFs include organizational culture and governance, how decisions are made, and how teams interact. They also include geographic distribution of facilities, resource availability, and your existing IT infrastructure. Even employee capability, the skills and knowledge of your current team, is considered an internal environmental factor. Your existing software tools, like project management systems and communication platforms, form your internal technical environment. Now let's look at external factors. These originate from outside the organization and can be much harder to predict. Marketplace conditions are a key external EEF: competitor performance, brand recognition, and market share trends. Social and cultural influences also play a role. These include political climate, ethics, and local perceptions. Legal and regulatory standards are critical. Think of data privacy laws or industry-specific government regulations. Financial factors like exchange rates, inflation, and interest rates are external forces that can shift your project budget. Even commercial databases and academic research are external EEFs that provide benchmarking data for your planning. So how do these impact you? EEFs influence your project's scope, schedule, and ultimately, its success or failure. By identifying these factors early, you can build a more resilient project plan and manage risks more effectively. Understanding your environment allows for better value engineering and strategic alignment with organizational goals. It ensures that your project isn't just a technical success, but also fits perfectly within the broader business context. For more project management insights, visit AndroIndian.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.